for another quick warm up. And next system July, the day our friends in the NDC, John Dramani Mahama Ninkro for Omudi ne friend Devil Levy, Demon Levy, Dumsor Levy, all the D's Levy no, and Omudi and Ambabe Chassis. And the more money say because Omudi tax no buy into na Endra. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and now the announcement did by say fuel coupon be government workers normally enjoy where you free and currently say and draw on this to me or the bayies are fuel coupons no every essence say a negotiated conditions of service. Now negotiated conditions of service no any president never to me can say Obama we and I say on my way and I say ni say a friend is saying fair wages for now AyEka negotiate salaries and the president does not have the power, the right and the authority to single-handedly cancel it. So with that established I can confirm to you say and now we can say 16th July people are going to the castle for free food. And people are going to the castle for free food. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama knows say he cannot do anything about this one. What me and pro Nikululu any 419 AyEka sem eka wan sem de bia no enu bia na NDC for omudi ye. Now Dumsor Levy and I say Devil Levy NDC for implementing and no. Mbejidi say ene aminu we kasa no fuel prices se aminu we kasa no akosro pa enye easy akosro. For instance, match some of the examples. Star oil for diesel ana omutonu 10 cedis something. They say I got 12 cedis 99. 12 cedis 99. I almost 13 cedis. 13 Ghana cedis. And Amudia betusu. Meaning say Ghanaians are going to experience an increment of almost 3 Ghana cedis on fuel products just because of this Devil Levy, Dumsor Levy, Azan Levy, Demon Levy that the NDC wickedly is implementing. Now, any idea one. Anyone say Ghana for ya jai sang for we our mother dies to the extent say even e-levy na enye obia na etia e-levy because wa send this car brew 100 cedis na ka won tia e-levy but that demon levy ba say no untimi ka say won tia bi upe o umpo obetia and untimi we dey kill and tia bia nemo because fuel affect all other commodities. They say na me be fie no free TV and be fie no if I kebi tricycle. They have gone back to taking the old fare. Old fare no. That's what they are taking. And why are they taking the old fare? They are taking the old fare because John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, any NDC microphone omo this demon levy na abetum. And to be a person about loss no they will transfer the cost to the customer. Who is the customer? The customer is a common Ghanaian like you and I who will take trotro, and so trotro fares are going up, cost of business is still going up, nothing is changing, and these NDC people, they are just busy marking themselves, giving themselves grades that do not exist. Because to me, breast power my na musora mamu who say and I'm B plus and I say ni say there. And yeah, they are just living a life of delusion and illusion and grandiose whatever you want to attach to it. Na enye say na yedi bu man. Anka say na yedi bu man then sanka nanka obi abetime your mampeni. Sanka say etimi ye nyama tantan bi say. We levy 1% ewo 100 Ghana cedis plus so and now the 8% tax eba. Sa 8% nkwa no e bruska na ye tua for betting tax. Betting tax no kra no. Enye obi bia Ghana ni bia na tua betting tax. Betting tax ni say na me tua betting tax. Esan say na me nye betting. Me betting en family ho. Enye sa obi a on to betting bet bia on tua betting tax. For the whole Ghana, for now mutual betting tax no, or drew 1 million impo. Now betting tax the crown, ucha bet na when we near, obian you sikadia. Mehu, but we Dumsor Levy, Demon Levy, no, obia bet yabi, and ya satisfied ya. And I get a star oil for diesel, 3 cedis increment. Adden, and your mama, why are you so devilish? Evil, the same thing. And I'm with the year 2015. A bra we are singing na full price echo form no. Who John Mahama? Who did the friend no? Full deregulation buy. Na sa full deregulation no. Am I yet more? Yeah, kaya no. We see what energy sector debt we are. And say what here. Same excuses we are. The same excuses. Same NDC, same excuses, same lies. Adden. And then so, what's number? Say, a cabi or hope sort of fool. Na akufuado, or now ye dang, or yes saying, our ultimate fool for 8 years. Akufuado. Now magic ben akufuado, yeah, your mama and Timmy. Say, the my team bon cost for. Ti bon kosu fon ko for ma bon. Uyo mu hwenye ye. This is what happens. Omo bon bia. Udwu wan won ti ase. Ade bi wo ho a wontimi nya. Okasa betimi aye. Must everybody become how do I say it? A leader of the people at all costs. No. Now see the kind of poverty you are pushing Ghanaian in. 8% tax. 8% tax. Boni ben kwa say yen say akot womu say akoto ababoni. But because of ababoni akot 28%. Precope 8%. Dang. Can afford. Akoto ababoni. I say I'm sorry. As I said here, Obia as of the campaign manager, my MPP. Yeah, sorry. I encourage some mistake. 10. So that 2028, we can get our country back to ourselves. Because I buy with here, nothing better can come out of it. See you in the next one.